Make the ground shake.
Hey guys, welcome back. Let's jump to the main topic, which is Resident Evil Village. And that will get cracked by July as I predicted. Empress is back, and really good news I will reveal today. But before we talk more, consider subscribing so that you don't miss out any updates from my channel. With that being said, let's begin. So the greatest news of all is here, guys. The beta for Resident Evil Village is getting released tomorrow. Yes, that's correct. Empress has cracked the game. And that I mentioned that the game will get cracked by July, and that is going to be true. Now Empress stated that V11 is longer than V10 and that Capcom did a stupid annoying anti-tamper that mixes with Denuvo and make an indestructible wall. Also, the Denuvo version for this game is using Denuvo V11 and Capcom anti-tamper V3. The first problem is that V11 has massive changes from V10, and then the Capcom's DRM is integrated in the Denuvo VM, and one of its jobs is to verify the Denuvo code integrity and its own on strategic places. If a check fails, this will result in a trigger into the game that can occur after 10 minutes of gameplay or on certain scenes. But the point I want to clear is that Empress didn't take so long because of Denuvo V11, but due to personal problems which struck her like a truck. Well, due to that she wasn't able to crack the game as quick. But it's later than never. Because the game will finally be with you presumably within the next few weeks. As Empress mentioned, she will need a lot of beta testers. As this is the first V11 crack, so it's understandable for her to know the flaws with the DRM. So patience is key as always. Also worth mentioning, the reason why she was absent is because many people were being too greedy, persistent, demanding. Heck, you get my point. Which is they were asking where is the crack? Which demoralized Empress in a way. If that continues, well, she might now not show up again and share the news, which not many scene groups do. So be grateful to Empress. But the bottom line is, Empress is cracking Resident Evil Village and it's going to be with you in due time. But that is it, guys. I will make an update video when the game is cracked. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.